Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to remove those unexpected taxes and shipping fees from your Shopify checkout? In this quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how to turn off tax calculation and set free shipping step by step. First of all, let's remove taxes. Go to Shopify admin dashboard. Click on settings in the bottom left. Select taxes and duties. From the left sidebar, now scroll to your regions like United States, Bangladesh, or Canada, etc. Then uncheck any automatic text tax settings. From here, next go to product section from your dashboard. Click on a product or add a new product. Scroll down to the pricing section and uncheck charge tax on this product. Then click Save. Repeat this for all taxable products or use bulk edit to do it faster. Next, let's click shipping and delivery option from your settings. Now let's remove shipping charges, then shipping and delivery. Under shipping rates, choose your active shipping profile. Find your shipping zone like domestic or rest of world. Delete any existing paid rates. Click add rate. Name it free shipping. Set the price 0 and click done. Then click save again. Now customers will see free shipping at checkout and no surprise fees, and that's it. You have now removed both taxes and shipping charges from your Shopify checkout. This is great for free shipping promos or tax included pricing. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.